Okay, so here we are in Ao Nang. So we're gonna just walk down this beach and we'll just kind of show you. So I just came up down this street and I walked down this way and we came down. And there's another, you can walk down that way of course as well. So, okay. I guess what we're gonna do is we're just gonna walk down this beach and we'll just see what we can see. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. See. So yeah, actually, I guess it's also it's about 4 o'clock right now. So the time of day is see all the boats. I think the sun is going to set pretty soon too. So yeah, there's actually, I can see a beach bar up there. Looks like there's quite a few establishments going this way. And I guess people are coming off of boat trips, I guess. So I think what we're gonna do is just walk down towards that cliff. We'll just walk for, I don't know how many minutes. Yeah, I guess at this particular time of day, it's some swings down there. So at this time of day, it's getting towards evening now, which is probably better for the camera. To get a better pictures, video. So it's gonna keep walking all the way down. But at least you're kind of getting a feel, so you can see these limestone cliffs, and then there's a big one right up there. And you can see it all into the ocean too, and all the boats. And you can hear some music up there too. Fire show tonight. Alright, so we're just gonna keep on walking down this beach. Let's see, it's at 2:44. Let's walk a little bit further. So yeah, I guess you get a feel for it anyways. Might actually walk up a little bit and just see what all these things are up there. I think that might be a better option because I think you're getting a good feel for the ocean already. I don't think we're gonna see a whole lot more in this space. So we're just gonna go up to the beach resort area. And let's see, the sunset, I don't know where the sunset's gonna come. I guess in this space maybe? Either that or we're on the opposite side. I guess we'll find out later. So we're gonna go up here and see what all this stuff is. Okay. I guess it's a place to...
It's parked in the line. But no, now guys, they won't spend money.
All right. Night party. So I guess later we'll see what kind of nightlife there is or whatever there is. Alright, so this is first view of Ao Nang Beach for me, and we'll conclude right there.